Got this from King Motorsports. This is just an empty box now. Mugen. How does this look? Oh my gosh. Here's the authentic horn from Mugen. Oh my gosh, this is so epic. Oh man, that looks cool. Hopefully I actually have this in good framing. MUGEN Racing 3. I really don't care too much about keeping stuff in its packaging, as some people do. Here is the horn button. I bought something else instead of this. And I did get this off of Amazon, so I'm not sure if it's 100% legit, but here's the part number. So don't quote me, but if this is legit, I just saved a ton of money because these sell for 230 bucks. Button works. It says Momo on the back of it. But I don't know, man. Legit or not, this looks pretty cool. This combination, this goes hard. Oh my gosh, that looks amazing. So here is the NRG, what is this? The hub or the quick release? So here's this. I went with NRG. I forget what the other one's called, but I'll probably upgrade it later just because I'm not too big of a fan of NRG, but this is enough. And someone I know has an SDK that also has a quick release, actually uses one of these. So there's some kids revving on their ATVs outside. Yay. Here is the quick release. Again, I've already opened these just because I wanted to look at them and see how they function. Here's this. I forget what version this is, but this is the one I went with. This is my first time with a quick release. I'm not too familiar with them. All right, so now behind the wheel, there should be two pieces on each side that you just take off. Some type of plastic, just so you can reach these bolts. Okay, so it's more like one of these bolts. Star pattern, I guess. Okay, that's loose. The car has been off for about an hour, so I am not 100% guaranteed safe. Sitting right in front of this. Probably not ideal. There's one of these bolts. Yep. There's the second one. So now here's the scary part. I believe all I have to do is pull off the airbag now. Very careful. Disconnect it from the back. Oh, there we go. I had to pull it up and not push it down. So that should be the airbag now. Yep, that's disconnected now, so now I should just eat. I shouldn't do that. Cool, I'm gonna place this somewhere outside of the car so it doesn't blow up randomly. 14, gotcha. Getting these types of fits, or whatever these called, come in handy because now I can just attach stuff and not have to get a whole new set. There we go, straighten that out. Now you're not supposed to pull that out all the way. Unplug anything I need to unplug. Okay, put you back on a little bit. There we go. So here's the steering wheel actually off now. I'm also hoping you guys just have a decent angle. I'm not really paying attention too much to the camera, which I kind of should, but now I take the NRG hub, push everything through here. I believe this guy goes back on here, right? Then I torque it down to 29 foot-pounds. There we go, that's good now. The next step I believe was to take this stuff out. There's supposed to be another tab you push right here and something comes out, but mine didn't have that for some reason. There is this little white piece right here. It's kind of pinched together. You just have to kind of find something small and pointy, open them up, and it kind of releases, and then give it a little bit of tension, kind of just pulls out. All I gotta do right here is shove these pins in here. You know, I was gonna complain how it was starting to get dark, and then I realized I actually bought these lights. I got this little plier thing right here. I'm gonna try and pinch these, and then if I got electrical tape somewhere around here, I'll use that to cover these. And this is for the airbag light. That way the car still uses the passenger airbag, because that's probably not something I want to remove. Just so I don't have to worry about it too much. I'm gonna tape these together. There we go. That's wrapped like that now. So now we got the part for the quick release. Just goes with this yellow right here, the black ground next right here. Just cram all these in here. Then these screws go on. Tying these down in a star pattern. And for the finishing touch, and luckily I was able to find some temporary screws just to showcase this. I ordered some of the actual ones for tomorrow. This should just do that. Do that again. Nice. Let me connect the battery again and then see what happens. Okay, battery is connected. Power is going to the car. SRS light goes off. Let's go. That's awesome. Okay, so it's been basically a week since I actually installed this. Matter of fact, it might have been 2 weeks almost. Might have been 2 weeks actually, but the steering wheel screws that I bought finally came in. I didn't check during the initial install, but the horn wasn't working because I didn't properly plug it in, but now it works. So you can see, I guess the button doesn't fit super duper snug, because if I do just a minimal amount of pressure, it'll come off. I think it's good. It stays on if I take it on and off. So that is how she looks now, and I can finally finish this video. There's a reason why I bought that color, by the way. They are more of like a purple and blue. This angle right here is giving them blue. You can see they're a little bit purple and blue. That is for further down the road, but we'll see later. Yeah, from this angle you can see that it's purple, but it does fade into blue a little bit, looks like. That's it. That's the install. We are done now, basically. An extra week just because I was waiting on these screws. So horn works, steering works, everything seems good. Hopefully you guys enjoyed today's install. If you did, leave a like. Let me know what you think about the little combination I did with the Honda and the Mugen. You guys sending it on the back highway right now. Subscribe if you're new. Drop some feedback in the comment section down below. Check out my socials. Links are in the description and on the screen down here. And I will catch you guys in the next video.